Hey, good morning, guys. It's a hot one here in Pittsburgh. It's like 85, 10 o'clock on a Sunday morning. Yeah. Just a quick update. Just want to let you guys know, if you're really into this, I appreciate it. I really do, because, hey, we're the only YouTube channel / video documentation on a 9C1 Nova restoration. I think that's pretty cool, kind of special. But anyways, you'll notice some things are starting to get repetitive, and they're just not going to make it into an episode. So I thought, hey, let's throw them on the Three Rivers Wrench Facebook page. So if you guys are on Facebook, you're interested, just click on it. We'll invite you in, and it's just some extra pictures and videos of what's going on, maybe behind the scenes, that, like I said, aren't going to make it into an episode. So you know, if you're not on Facebook, don't worry about it, guys. You're not going to miss much. This is just some extra stuff, right? Air cleaner, check it out. Looks pretty cool. I don't think anybody's seen the air cleaner on Bear's engine yet. But yeah, speaking of engine, I did get a wiring harness from Steve. It looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and use that. We're going to be working on getting this guy running and driving very, very soon. It's going to be much nicer getting him in and out of the shop. And speaking of that, he may end up at the house, because I got to work on these quarter panels and roof, and it's much easier to do it up there, especially when I got to spray epoxy, and I don't want to do it around a bunch of customers' cars. Don't want to upset the boss at all. So we'll see. But that's about all I have. Just want to touch base, let you guys know what's going on. I've been working on the HVAC system this week. Again, you'll see some of that on Facebook page. Also, there will be an episode on the HVAC system, so look for that coming soon. But anyways, until then, you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. See you later.